This project introduces an innovative approach to the educational process, aiming to enhance interaction and create a dynamic environment in the classroom. It serves as a useful tool to promote group cohesion and a favorable learning climate, ensuring a smoother transition to teaching activities. By integrating artificial intelligence, the project uses emotion-sensing algorithms to identify moods such as joy, sadness, or surprise, directly controlling Fable robots by interpreting the user's facial movements. The primary objective of this initiative is to demonstrate the capability of technology to translate facial expressions into intuitive interaction and to support the implementation of innovative methods in the learning process. Emotion detection through AI is the process by which advanced artificial intelligence algorithms analyze facial expressions to identify emotional states such as joy, surprise, sadness, or anger. This information can then be integrated into a control system for robotic devices. In the real world, AI technologies are used to detect emotions in a variety of domains, such as marketing, education, and mental health. The global market for AI in emotion analysis is expected to grow from $19.5 billion in 2021 to over $40 billion by 2027 at a compound annual growth rate of around 12%. In our experiment, we will manage the movement of the Fable robot through facial expressions. The emotion recognition system consists of a RealSense AI camera, a 3D printed camera stand, a stand built from Fable accessories, a spin robotic module with wheels, and the caster mobility module. Once the program is activated, the AI camera initiates a continuous analysis of the human face in its field of view. It transmits, in real time, a stream of 10 images per second to the mobile device, along with numerical data specific to each image. The Fable Face AI application processes this information with the main objective of identifying the user's emotion. The spin robotic module then adjusts its movement according to the emotion detected. The programming of the system was done entirely in Fable Blockly with AI. The Fable Face AI app can utilize a range of AI algorithms such as YOLO, you only look once, and SSD, single shot detection. In this context, we used 4 main AI commands. 1. Get an array of recognized objects. This command organizes the recognized objects based on the confidence score resulting from the AI analysis. 2. Get label of object, identifies and returns the specific property of the object in the currently recognized class. 3. Get facial expression, returns the person's recognized expression captured by the camera. 4. Get confidence score, returns how confident the expression is recognized. These data are continuously printed in the output for troubleshooting. Once the program is activated, the subject positions themselves in front of the AI camera and mimics one of 4 configured expressions. Happy, angry, left eye closed, or right eye closed. After identifying the expression, the program transmits data to the spin module, which moves forward, backward, left turn, or right turn accordingly. In this way, the human subject controls the robot's movement. The project is an impressive demonstration of the potential of artificial intelligence to transform education and other sectors through intuitive interactions and the use of advanced technologies. Large-scale deployment can bring multiple advantages and disadvantages. Advantages: intuitive interaction. Robotic facial expression control simplifies the use of the technology. Educational applicability introduces students to AI and robotics through a hands-on approach. Adaptability. Technology can be used in education, mental health, and logistics, stimulating critical thinking, Develop STEM competences and problem-solving skills. Real-time analysis. High performance thanks to fast data processing. Disadvantages. Identification errors. Complex facial expressions can be difficult to recognize accurately. High costs. Implementation requires significant financial resources. Confidentiality. Processing emotional data can raise ethical issues. Technological complexity requires rigorous setup and maintenance. Cultural limitations. Individual differences can affect the accuracy of emotion detection.